Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. When people think about starting an online business, they often imagine months of work and tons of upfront costs. But the truth is, you can start selling digital products in as little as 24 hours. And the best part is, once you make them, they can keep earning for you over and over again. In this video, I'll share 5 digital products you can create in just one day and start selling online. Let's dive in. First up, ebooks or guides. If you know something valuable like how to budget, cook healthy meals, or even how to use a specific software, you can put that knowledge into a short ebook or guide. It doesn't have to be hundreds of pages. A simple, practical 20 to 30 page guide is enough to help people. Tools like Canva or Google Docs make it super easy to design and format your ebook. Then you can sell it on Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or even your own website. Number 2, printables. Think planners, calendars, workout trackers, budget spreadsheets, or even wall art. You can design these in Canva in just a few hours. Once done, you upload them to Etsy or Gumroad as PDFs, and customers download and print them at home. No shipping, no inventory, just instant delivery. And since people always want planners and organization tools, this market is evergreen. Third, templates. This could be social media templates, resume designs, business pitch decks, or even email templates. Everyone wants to save time, and selling done-for-you designs is a huge opportunity. You can create them in Canva, PowerPoint, or Google Docs, and sell them on platforms like Creative Market or Etsy. The beauty is you make them once and they can be downloaded thousands of times. Next, stock photos or graphics. If you're good with photography or graphic design, you can create a small pack of stock images, icons, or illustrations in just a day. People are always looking for unique visuals for their blogs, websites, or social media. You can sell these on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or even bundle them on your own site. And if you're not a professional photographer, don't worry. There's a huge demand for everyday, real-life photos too. And finally, mini courses or workshops. Don't overthink it. A course doesn't have to be 10 hours long. It can simply be a 30 to 60-minute workshop where you explain a topic you know well, like how to use Excel for beginners or how to start a budget in 1 hour. You can record it with free tools like Zoom or Loom, upload it to platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad, and start selling the same day. Here's a bonus: audio products. Things like guided meditations, sound effects, or background music. If you can record or create them quickly, they're another simple digital product that people love buying. So, there you have it. 5 digital products you can create in 24 hours and start selling right away. Ebooks, printables, templates, stock photos or graphics, and mini courses. The best part about digital products is that you only create them once, but they can sell an unlimited number of times, meaning you can make money in your sleep. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more videos on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.